MIKEGTV. I want to try something. You see that the fuel filter doesn't have that much gas in it? I'm going to take the gas cap off and see if more goes in there, and I'm going to start the car too. Alright, I took the gas cap off. It's still the same amount in there. I'm going to start it up now and turn it off and see what happens. Alright, I just started it up. It's still really low on fuel. The gas tank is full. And I'm thinking that fuel filter should be full of fuel, but it's really low on fuel. I really want to drop the tank. And you see, I took the cap off. I'm gonna drop the tank and see what's going on in there. I really want to put a new one. Yeah, it's really low on fuel in there. I'm thinking that whole thing should be full, but it's not. I don't know. Maybe the strainer in the gas tank is clogged or something. I don't know. This car's driving me crazy. Alright, so I just ordered this. Another fuel pump. I know I just put one in, but from looking at that fuel filter, I see that it's not pumping a lot of gas. And like I said before, the filter, I'm thinking it should be full of gas, but it's barely anything in there. So I'm gonna put a new fuel pump on there. Fuel pump is only $21 on Amazon. So hopefully it comes tomorrow or Saturday. I'm gonna put that on, and hopefully this one will work right. Just got a package in the mail. I think I know what it is. Should have came earlier. I could have put it on, but it was supposed to rain today, but it didn't rain yet. It's my fuel pump. I bought another one because I don't know, I'm not sure, but I don't think this fuel pump is pumping enough gas. Where's the part number at? I don't understand how there's not a part number. This is it. Just like the other one. Damn, this thing is strong. I don't know how there's not a part number, but that's weird. But it came. I'm gonna put it on tomorrow. It's too late. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, like around 70 degrees. So I'm gonna put it on and see if I get more fuel, because my fuel filter is really the clear one that I put on. It's really it's really low. Well, it's only a little bit of gas in it, and I think that thing should be full. So I'm gonna put this on and see what happens. It's crazy. There's no part number. Maybe this is the part number. It gotta be the part number. Show you guys real quick. Maybe that's the part number. but I'm not sure. It should be because there's no other numbers on this box, so I don't know. Came with a gasket. I already got an extra one from last time when I put one on, but I'm gonna put this on tomorrow. Show you guys how I do it. I already did it not too long ago, but let's do it again. I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday, and he told me to put the spark plugs to factory spec. If you watch my other video before this one about the car, I had them set at 60, but the factory specs are 80, so I'm just gonna put them to 80 and see what happens. Hopefully it fixes the problem. If not, I do have that, I bought a new fuel pump. So I'm gonna do the spark, I'm gonna regap the spark plugs, put them to 80, and drive the car, see what happens. If not, I'll just do the fuel pump another day, or maybe I'll have enough time to do it today. But I'm on my way to the spot where I'm gonna do it. And I don't know, hopefully I just want this over with, man. Body shop needs to take this car away from me for a while, man. I need a break. But I'm almost at the spot where I'm gonna do it. And I'm not gonna show you how I did it because I already showed you me taking out the spark plugs already. It's the same thing. I'm just taking them out, regapping them. I'm gonna open up the gap more. It's at 60, I'm gonna put it to 80. That's all I'm doing, but I'll turn you guys back on and update you guys. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm pulling up right now. All right, so I'm down to the last one. I did the passenger side first. All I'm doing is opening it up, putting it right here to 80. That's it. I know it's noisy because I'm on the main street right now, but I told you I don't like doing stuff. Like I couldn't do this at my house because I don't have another car. In case something happens, in case I break something. I can't believe I didn't break a spark plug or I didn't break a wire today. But let me be quiet because I'm not done yet. I'm gonna put this last one in by hand like I told you. First I gotta find the hole. Make sure your spark plug's clean too, and this washes all the way down on the bottom. And tighten it. It's in there. I'm turning it. I'm turning it till it gets tight. Turn it till I can't turn it no more. Engine's still hot. Get the spark plug socket. That's a 1316. It might be different on your car, but it's a 1316 on mine. Tighten it up. Put the wire back on. Make sure to check inside. Make sure it's not all the way back here. It's right on the tip. All right, everything's on. Let's start it up and hopefully this thing doesn't shake. Let me put this back just in case. It's the only thing I took off. Make sure nothing's gonna fall in the fan. I gotta get the keys. So right now they're all gapped. All the spark plugs are gapped at 80. They was 60, now they're 80. Engine's still shaking. Never gonna end. But I'm gonna keep it like that for right now. I'm not taking it back apart. I'm not taking them out and putting them to 60. I'm gonna keep them at 80 and see how that rides. But I might as well put this fuel pump in since I ain't doing nothing else. So let me start doing that. All right, so I finally got that out. I'm just gonna put the other one, the new one. I gotta take this off. But this is the new one right here. The gasket. The new one right here. Just gonna put the gasket on and put it back in the hole, and then I gotta clean that off too. Clean the old gasket off with a razor blade or a wire brush or something. So let me figure out what I'm gonna do. I cleaned it all off. I'm gonna get the gasket and put it on with some of this. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse while I do that. I forgot to take this off, so I'm gonna do that and put the new one on. All right, what I'm gonna do now is try to get it in the hole and line these. Where is it? I need to close this off before this is no good. That's what I need to do. Alright, all I'm gonna do is put it in the hole and tighten it up. Alright, I finally put everything back together. I'll show you guys real quick. Pretty sure you can't see it, but it's in there. I'll try to start it. it started and it's still shaking. But it looks like I'm getting way more. Show you guys real quick. Looks like I'm getting way more gas in the fuel filter. So maybe it did work, but that's way more gas than it was yesterday. But the engine's still shaking. Another beautiful Saturday wasted trying to get this car running right. It was worth a try, regapping the spark plugs from 60 to 80, but it's still shaking. It looks like I'm getting more gas in the fuel filter. I don't know. I'm just gonna drive it all week, and I'll let you guys know next video how it's running or whatever. But to me right now, it's still the same. I'm all dirty. I'm on my way to my house to get a package so nobody steals it. I gotta go get some biz too. Might as well get this Saturday started right. It's 1:35 exactly. Gonna go get my biz, get my package, just relax for the rest of the day. Gotta work tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. Trying to get my YouTube plaque, man. Help me out with that. But till next video, Mike G signing out.